It's a secret lake, a hidden lake. We can't tell you where it is because then it wouldn't be a secret. Well, here we are. It snowed in Georgia, something that doesn't happen very often. And Jan and I are out taking a hike. It's not a good day for building stuff, but it's a good day for hiking. First video of 2025. Yay!
Yay.
I think it's what, we're 3 years in. Anyways, we heard there's a lake, secret lake. We're gonna go try and find it, walk these trails. Let's go. Your shoes got good traction. Winter Wonderland. It's swampy over there. Oh, here's a little walk across bridge right away. First one's out in the snowy weather. This ain't too bad, huh? Beech nut tree. I can't tell if that's a creek or a swampy area. Maybe a creek winding around in there. Whoa. Here comes another little walk across bridge. See that?
Yeah.
That's wintry. Bless you. Look, there's some kind of animal. Must be a fox because here she comes, the abominable snow woman. Oh, the trails are melted. You can make it. Almost got some ice. Well, that's ice on the tree, so some places got some ice. That's definitely a coating of ice. But we didn't lose power or anything. So that's cool. Guess it is a creek, huh, Jan?
I think so. Looks like it.
Yeah. Couldn't tell before. It looked swampy. Now it looks like it's defined. Right. Pretty little thing. They ought to be. It's winter time. A big old pine they cut down. Sourwood. You heard of sourwood honey? Well, that's a sourwood tree. Well, that's a cool looking beech nut tree that we got to walk under. And here comes bridge number 3 already. go that way. Yeah, it's getting bigger, ain't it? Some nice steps they made, making everything easy. Trail's getting wet. Sun's coming out. Snow's trying to melt. We barely made it before it was gone. Snow don't last long. Wow, you can see the ice in the trees. Yeah, that could have been treacherous. I always like this stuff, and Tipper from Celebrating Appalachia, I think she called it running cedar. I never knew what it was. Cool ground cover. This sure is pretty out here, ain't it?
Yep.
I mean, I'm just blown away how nice it looks. Wow, so much ice on this tree, it folded in half. Let's keep going. Sun trying to break through. Sure looks like winter, don't it?
I think it is winter.
There we are. Are you having fun yet?
Yeah,
It's not too bad.
it's not too bad if you bundle up.
And the wind ain't blowing.
Yeah, it's a little wet, but not really.
Yeah, everything's trying to melt, ain't it?
It is melting. Yeah.
It's wintry cold. With the wind blowing, it's super cold. Looking for a hidden lake. The trails are marked good. We shouldn't have no problem. Ooh, it's cold. There it is. And it's a beauty. Very cool. See if I can get around that other side and get a good view, a good picture. Woo. Oh yeah, this is a much better view. I love it. You?
Yeah. I love it.
Oh, it's cold though, ain't it? The wind. Was it worth the hike? Is it a cool lake?
It's really pretty. Yeah.
Awesome. It's a little bit windy, ain't it?
Yes. Some crazy birds down there in the water.
I think they're ducks. Boy, that looks pretty back there, don't it?
It does.
Nice. Yep, just a few little ducks. Crazy little ducks.
This is pretty enough.
Huh?
I said, this is pretty enough.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful, ain't it? It's a secret lake, a hidden lake. We can't tell you where it is because then it wouldn't be a secret. Even though it's absolutely freezing out, we got out and made a video, didn't we?
Yes.
Thanks for coming along. Catch y'all on the next one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe
Yeah.
and comment.
Yeah.